Are you struggling to create marketing messages that truly convert? Well, get ready to boost your marketing game, because in today's video, we're unveiling proven techniques to craft compelling messages that will drive results. I'm Alan Bart from ActionCOACH UK, and in this video, we'll equip you with the strategies and techniques to captivate your audience and turn them into loyal customers. Okay, so marketing is a huge subject. We obviously can't cover it all today. So I'd like to really focus down on how to create incredible headlines for your social media posts or subject lines for your emails. The one most powerful word that you have to be aware of is curiosity. How do we stimulate curiosity? Because if you write a headline or a subject line that stimulates curiosity, you're going to get 80% more engagement than any other headline or subject line you've tried before. I've got a story about this. So one of my clients sells commercial cleaning equipment, backpack vacuum cleaners and scrubber dryers. And we tried an e-shot with the subject line, "These vacuum cleaners will stop you exploding." Let me say that again. "These vacuum cleaners will stop you exploding." That e-shot got over 4 times the engagement of any other e-shot he's ever sent. And the reason for that was because people were curious. Now, it wasn't clickbait, because when you went into the email, the vacuum cleaners he was talking about were designed to stop dust explosion. So I never realized that flour and dust format is actually got a flashpoint. So in essence, those vacuum cleaners would stop you exploding. But how cool was that headline? And how curious would you be about reading that email? Have a think about that in your own marketing messages. Now, I've got a golden tip for you here, and I'm going to share it with you. And that's, how can we use AI or artificial intelligence to help us craft and create these incredible headlines? So if you go into ChatGPT or any of the other models that are available, just simply ask it to create 5 headlines on the particular subject you want to talk about. And then at the end of that, just write the words that stimulate curiosity. And you will get 5 example headlines that will stimulate curiosity in whatever subject you want to talk about. Pick the one that resonates with you the best and use it. So now we've talked about curiosity, I'd love you to go back and reflect on the type of subject lines that you've been using in your emails and the type of headlines you've been using in your social media posts, and ask yourself, are they really stimulating curiosity? Try the artificial intelligence thing, test and measure your results as always, and see which ones get the most engagement. So now that you're armed with these proven techniques for creating marketing messages that convert, it's time to put them into action and elevate your marketing efforts. For even more expert guidance, head over to actioncoach.co.uk to explore our catalogue of additional resources, or use our Coach Finder tool to connect with a coach near you. If you found this video valuable, give it the thumbs up, and please hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you'll never miss out on an upload. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.